This is what we're gonna have. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do wipers. And if you feel right in there's a little hook. Let me get it out and I'll show you. Come listen to my podcast. Now, do not let this smash your windshield. This is the little lever you're feeling for. You want to push that in. Okay. Now let's measure this thing. That is 16. Nice. Putting it back, very simple. Do not smash your windshield. Make this little hook. See that little hook? It goes in, lines up, locks into place. Did you hear that little snap? Good. Now, this, let's see. I've got, I think, 24. Yep. Now, if you're as tall as me, you can do it on the passenger side. Same thing. Feel for the lever. You know what my index finger is doing? And slides to the left. Slides to the right. See that? There you go. Now let's go to do the back. It's probably the hardest one. A whole whopping 1 footer. All right. Very similar to the front. I looked into it and you push to the right. But it's easier. Watch. Lift this up. There's a little leg in there. And it pops out of the joint. I just had it. Hold on. Let me get both hands. That little post goes into this little guy right here. You can see it notched. You see? Goes in. Focus. There you go. Goes in and over. Got it? Good. New one. Technically. Same one. You see? You want to line it up right in there. And then lock into place. Both hands, please. Yeah, you just want to make sure you're firm with it. All right, there you go. Done. So, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.